What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadesha and we're back with another hair tutorial. This wig is of course from LUVME Hair. This is another one of their glueless unit. I love their wigs so much, especially their glueless unit. It is super convenient, super easy to install, and just a quick grab and go wig. And this one is giving us a really nice vibes. She's pretty. I love it. It's giving us gorgeous, super pretty. Go ahead and check out the install. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video. It's from LUVME Hair. So in today's package, we did receive a wig cap along with a wig grip band, and of course their beginner guide. So this is the wig we're installing today. I wanted to show you guys like straight out the box. They always pluck the unit and send it for us. It's always ready to wear. Once it's a glueless unit, it's ready to wear, like grab and go, 5-minute quick install. This one is their trendy mixed color peekaboo highlighted wig and I love it. Let's just move along to the install. Alright guys, so this is the final look. super soft, super bouncy. I love this color. It is giving us a really nice mixture of both colors, and I just love it. The texture of this hair is just super soft. It's super versatile. Like if I wanted it to be in the front, I could do a really super cute style like this, like a nice little center part. Or we could just put it back to the side. This is it. I will be leaving the link down below so you guys can go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. This is where I'll leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video.